Hi everyone. Today topic is the conversion from the postfix to infix. Right? Postfix expression will be given, and we are going to convert that into the infix conversion. What is the postfix? What is the infix? And what is the prefix? I think everyone know. Right? When operator lie between the operand, then that is the infix conversion, infix expression. And when operators is before the operand, then that is the prefix, and when operators are after the operand, then that is the postfix. So our question is one. You can see here postfix expression is given a b plus c star. Right? Star and plus are the operator, a b and c, they are the operand. Right? Now what we have to do? First we have to scan this symbol. We have to complete this scan this symbol from left to right, from this side to the this side. Okay, one by one we will scan this, and we will put this value into the one stack. Right? What is the role of the stack? Yeah, I think everyone know. Basically two operations is performed here: push and pop operation. Push operation is used to insert an element into the stack, and pop operation is used to delete any element, or delete any element from the stack. Now see here, if any question is like this, then you can draw like this table, and by using this easily you can convert that. See here, first symbol here, this is the A. Right? We are scanning this, so A is here, first symbol. Now we are going to insert this element here. This is the stack, this is one stack. Right? A. Now A is the top element. Right? A is the top element, pointer will point this one. Now next is the B. B again have been inserted here. Right? Now A comma B, two elements are there in the stack, and now B is the top element. Okay. Now next, what is the operator? Operator is plus. When, what is the condition for this? Whenever operand will occur, then we will insert into the stack. When any operator will occur there, if any operator is there, then first top two element will be popped and perform the operation. Right? So you can see here A and B are the operand. It have been inserted into the stack. Now third element here, that is the plus. When any operator is there, so first two top element from the stack will be popped and perform the operation. So there are only two element. So A and B and A both are the means operand. They are in the top of the stack. So when operator will be scanned, then this operation will be performed, A plus B. Right? Now next element is C. Again, now A plus B means operation have been performed here. Now A plus B, this is one complete one element. Right? Here they are in top. Now second element, that is the C. Right? Because C is an operand, so simply it have been inserted into the stack. Now next, you can see here after the C, star. When star, if any operator is there, again top two element will be popped and operation will be performed. So A plus B, this is complete one element, and C, this is the second element. So what will be the operation? A plus B star C. Star is there for the multiplication. Right? And precedence of the star is also greater than the plus. So final expression is the A plus B star C. You can see here, this is the infix expression of equivalent, this complete postfix.